So I mentioned paracord at the top of the show. Now it's time to find out what it is. So I'm told it's a nylon rope that is known to have a breaking strength of 550 pounds, hence the nickname 550 cord. Lauren Page Reed thought it was a great idea to use this for jewelry pieces and watch bands, and that's when paracord eccentrics.
Yes.
I've been saying eccentrics, but eccentrics was born. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
All right, so when was it born and why was it born?
Well, Paracord started on January, Friday the 13th, 2017. So that was 2 years ago. And my business partner, Alex Honeygan, he just thought about a way of making money, how to make money at first. But then he was saying he remembered when he used to weave baskets and, make use the coconut leaves. And he eventually looked up and researched paracord. And he saw that there was a vast amount of things that you could do with it and the durability of it that made it so different. And he said, let's put this in something that could be accessories, something that would be durable but yet still very stylish.
Yeah. Pull 550 pounds.
550 pounds.
And I'm told that astronauts use it in space and all
They use
kinds
it for
of stuff.
parachutes. It started from World War I, and they used to use it. It was actually a survival bracelet. So it was used to make different things that they could use to survive in the war.
Okay.
So this cord was actually pretty durable.
So this is it right here?
Yes, this is it. It comprises of 7 strands of nylon, and then it has another set of nylon fibers interwoven
So this
around
little
it.
soft feeling thing can pull,
Yep.
all I know it can pull?
It can pull you right
Almost
across the
man
room.
cannot pull it. So how you get, it's almost like it's woven almost, is it?
Yes, so we hand weave it.
You do?
Yes.
Ah, and you've done like watches. I'm gonna pick up this one right here, and it's not heavy though.
No, it's not.
It's quite light. Wow, how long would something like this take you to put together?
Well, it ranges from 25 minutes to 3.5 hours. So it's just dependent on the intricacy of the design, because we have to spend the time to make it and ensure that it's very stylish and very of good quality for everyone.
You've also brought this that looked like I could have charged my phone with it or
Yes,
something.
it is. This is our new USB bracelets. So basically what you do is that you can plug it into your phone, but you'll have your charger on hand. So you just turn it here, and you just wear that for the day. If your phone runs out, you can charge your phone, plug it into your laptop, plug it into the extension, and you're good.
STGC, we say, you know? And then this one I like also, but this one has just a regular clip,
Yes,
does
this
it?
is a buckle.
You can put that here too. Run me around, you know?
This is what kind of type for
Hey,
you.
that is a fit, man. Go on again. You can't breathe. It's kind of tight for real. Yeah.
So that's what we try to make it just for you. So we take your measurements and then we make it for you. So it's your personal bracelet.
But this, and again, it seems heavy, but it's quite light.
It is.
Incredible. All right, and you've brought this because you're going to show me.
Yes.
So you've started to make something already.
Yes. So this is our Solomon stitch or Cobra stitch.
Solomon stitch.
Yes.
Who is Solomon, please? And then what you do?
But that's the name of it. So you basically take the one that's across, go across here, go under, and you pull this.
Wait, no man, show me now.
You want to try it?
Let me try. Let me show you. So hold on.
So you have
come
to take
across,
the one.
come under here.
No, you have to put this over.
This one over. And then bring it under.
And then bring this under. And then you pull. And you have to ensure that it's secure, tight, and neat.
You know, rate me now, man. Secure,
Yes.
tight.
And neat.
So why you have to do it after I do it, man? Rate me now, man. Sure.
Quality control.
And what about this here now? This is just another.
Yeah, so this is our charm bracelet. So we added some
Take this one
charms.
off and you can put on another one.
We added some charms just to make it a little bit more stylish for the wearer. And all our products are unisex.
I was just
we
gonna
can
say
do
that.
in different designs, different styles for you.
You just hear that one like that. Oh.
Yeah.
No, say me a hot boy. I'm say, yeah, I'm ready. Oh, I'm turn away then. We're ready. What about the watches now?
So the watches, we source the watches there. We get them online,
Okay.
and we're currently using Geneva brand watches. And we use those faces, and then we make the bands from the paracord, so
And
that
this is
allows
it?
them to be durable. Yes.
Come now, man, start me out. When I leave the studio, man, it look like my brand new. You couldn't put it so I could have
And
read it.
this is
Somebody
our-
forgot read it.
This is our dragon stitch,
Dragon stitch,
Yes,
which
so
is
they're-
different from.
the cobra stitch. So there are so many designs, so many styles that we have on our Instagram page, on our Facebook. So you just choose exactly what you want, tell us your colors, and we'll surprise you with something.
You have already told me how long it would take you, but how long did it take you to learn to do
To
all
learn
of
how
this?
to do it? Well, my partner learned a bit faster than me, but he took time and he taught me the styles, and it took me like, I'm a fast learner. I went to Immaculate. So
Whatever. My sister's school,
I was
that's
like
still. It's my
2 to
sister's
3
school.
days, but as I go on, I'm learning different stitches and different
And this
styles.
is all just the watches and the bracelets?
Well, we
or-
also do banner placement. So if you have a watch that, you know, the band kind of worn out, the
Yeah.
leather doesn't work anymore. So you can get a watch banner placement. You give it to us and we'll fix up the band for you.
But you don't like necklace and
Yes, we're actually going into a lot more things. Earrings, chokers. Also, we want to do keychains. There are a
great.
vast amount of things that Paracord Eccentrics will be bringing to the table.
Fantastic. Where you found?
Well, we are found now an online store at Instagram, Paracord Eccentrics, PARCORD_ECCENTRIXX.
So you don't have a physical place? it's just
No, we don't. But we do free delivery to UAM, Halfway Tree, and also downtown.
Brilliant. Co-owner of Paracord Eccentrics,
Yes.
Lauren Page Reed. All right, so come, stay with us. Maybe wear two little things and come back and talk about it. So which one more now?
You can take the George's one,
Take the George's one. Put on the George's one.
and you can charge it for.